Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So now I am in Four Points by Sheraton in St. Catharines, Niagara. So it's very close to the Niagara area, but is technically in St. Catharines. So I have booked myself a one-bedroom suite. I will tell you a little bit because it's the Canada Day long weekend. The hotels at the Niagara Falls are extremely expensive, and also because our itinerary is not going to Niagara Falls. We've been there so many times, and you can see from my previous video that we stay at the Sheraton Falls View, Marriott Falls View, have the wonderful Niagara Falls view room and suite. So we're not going back. We're going to somewhere close to the Niagara on the lake. And actually tonight, the restaurant that we're going to is actually closer to St. Catharines than Niagara. So that's the reason why I decided to book the hotel here for our short day trip from Toronto to Niagara for the Canada Day long weekend. So I'm going to do a quick room tour. You can see I'm zooming when I'm talking. So when I walk in, so this is the pantry. They do have a mini fridge, the microwave, coffee maker, bottled water, ice bucket, and then there's a work desk here if you want to do some work, and then the living room area, so the sofa. So we're on the highest floor, the fourth floor, and it's kind of like a loft concept, and then they have a TV hanging in there, and then actually oh, this is a closet, okay, with iron board, luggage rack, and then there's a safe deposit box over here. Yeah, the furniture is definitely not the most modern. It's quite dated, but you know, this is a good option if you are, you know, want to, like us, going to the Niagara on the lake area and do not want to spend a fortune at the Niagara hotels during the peak season, which is the long weekend. So anyway, this is the bedroom. So they have 2 queen beds in the bedroom, and I cannot remember exactly why I booked this room type, because maybe the king bedroom is not available. I honestly cannot remember. So not the best view, but at least got the green view. Very quiet when you look outside. So another TV here. So this is the bedroom. Okay, last but not least, let's check out the bathroom. So this is the amenities that they're using. They do have a stand-up shower. And this is the amenities. So actually it's okay. So actually when I check by the reservation, I am doing a redemption, you know, using points redemption for my stay. As a Platinum Elite member, I choose to have the continental breakfast for 2 tomorrow morning, and they actually say I can upgrade to the full breakfast for like $8 only per person. So, you know, maybe that's what I would do tomorrow morning with my husband. And also parking is free, which is another bonus, because if you stay at the Niagara Hotel, usually you have to pay at least $30 per night for parking. So there's free parking here. And what else? The internet is definitely included. And yeah, basically I think that's it. So this is a very quick room tour. We'll show you the breakfast tomorrow morning, and if we upgrade to the food breakfast and tell you whether it's worth it or not. And then we are going out now to have our nice dinner. So follow us. See you in a bit.